Want to know how I go from wash day woo, to this? Well, like and subscribe because you're watching Hair Evolution and I'm about to show you guys my basic braid out routine. So, hey. Start by sectioning my hair into 4 parts, and using Cantu shampoo, I shampoo each section thoroughly, making sure to get to the roots and also to stretch my hair so there's not a lot of spring back and not a lot of tangles at the end of my washing. It helps to keep my hair stretched. Now that I'm all washed up, I'm going to use my deep conditioner, and I'm using Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Repair Condition. And each section I'm going to split into a couple of parts because I want to definitely make sure that each section gets an equal and like enough conditioner. Make sure to comb out the ends, get all of the tangles and the hair that's been kind of hanging on the week, get it all out of there. And then I'm going to twist up each end. I don't braid at this point, I just twist because braiding is only for the styling aspect and I just want this to kind of make sure that my hair is together. And so I'm sectioning off another part of that one section, adding conditioner and twisting it up. Let's speed this up a little bit because this hair, honey, it is crazy. So we are at the end of the deep condition portion. And just that last part and we are good. So now what I do, I take a plastic cap and my heat cap, but one moment. I have to put this in the microwave. It's ready to go. That's hot. So then I put that on top of the plastic cap to seal in the heat. And I let that sit on for about an hour. And so we're ready to wash out. I'm going to be using my Melanin HairCare Twist Elongating Style Cream along with olive oil leave-in conditioner. And washing each section out, I'm going to then braid up each section. And this is just a normal braid, just a basic 3-strand braid. And each section is going to be braided just like that. Guys, this is my first shower video, so it's really I'm kind of learning how to do the videos for the shower, so it's a lot going on here. Getting to the back of the hair. The braiding process takes so long, I swear I feel like I'm running water for at least 45 minutes, which isn't the best, but it's done, guys. I'm all braided up using my Melanin HairCare and leave-in conditioner. And so let's get to some results, shall we? So we're all dried. So let's see what we got here. Oh, almost forgot. I like to use a little bit of, sorry if you can see that, it's grapeseed and avocado oil when I'm taking down my braids. It's just to keep down all of the frizziness and it really helps my hair stay moisturized. Just a little, rub it in, and then you get to work. curling because a lot of times I don't want to disturb my curls too much before day 2 and day 3. So day 1 I'll wear kind of a more set in place curl than I normally would. That Melanin hair care really makes such a difference in the stretch of your hair. So you guys have just watched my basic braid out routine, and coming up next, hopefully I'll be able to show you guys my nighttime routine and how I maintain these curls over a couple of days. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching my channel, Hair Evolution. I'll see you guys next time.